Welcome to Lakshya Institute Pathankot channel. So today in lecture 13 we will discuss all the questions which are there in the previous Neet examination for class 12 for chapter 13 organisms and population. First question. Just as a person moving from Delhi to Shimla to escape the heat for the duration of the hot summer, thousands of migratory birds from Siberia and other extremely cold northern regions move to the option A is Keoladeo National Park, option B Corbett National Park, option C Western Ghats, and option D Meghalaya. The right answer is option A Keoladeo National Park. Question second. The population of an insect species shows an explosive increase in numbers during the rainy season, followed by its disappearance at the end of the season. What does this show? Option A. S-shaped or sigmoid growth of this insect. Option B. The population of its predators increases. Option C. The food plants mature and die at the end of the rainy season. And option D. Its population growth curve is of J type. The right answer is option D. Its population growth curve is of J type. Question third. Which of the following is categorized as a parasite in true sense? Option A. The cuckoo lays its egg in the crow's nest. Option B. Human fetus developing inside the uterus draws nourishment from the mother. Option C. The female Anopheles bites and sucks blood from humans. And option D. House lows living on the human scalp as well as lying eggs on human hair. The right answer is option D. House lows living on the human scalp as well as laying eggs on human hair. Question 4th. A biologist studied the population of rats in the barn. He found that the average natality was 250, average mortality was 240, immigration 20, and e-migration 30. The net increase in population is option A 0, B 5, C 10, and D 15. The right answer is A 0. Question 5th. The geometric representation of age structure is a characteristic of dash. Option A ecosystem, option B landscape, option C population, and option D biotic community. The right answer is option C population. Question 6th. Praying mantis is a good example of dash. The option A is camouflage, option B is Mullerian mimicry, option C is warning coloration, and option D is social insects. The right answer is option A, that is camouflage. Question 7. The formula for exponential population growth is dash. Option A, dn by rn is equal to dt. Option B, dt by dn is equal to rn. Option C, dn by dt is equal to rn. And option D, rn by dn is equal to dt. The right answer is option C, dn by dt is equal to rn. Question 8th. A high density of elephant population in an area can result in option A. Predation on one another. Option B. Interspecific competition. Option C. Mutualism. And option D. Intraspecific competition. So the right answer is option D. Intraspecific competition. Question 9th. Annual migration does not occur in the case of dash. Option A, Arctic tern, option B, salamander, and option C, salmon, and option D, Siberian crane. The right answer is option B, that is salamander. The last question for this lecture is habitat together with functions of a species constitute its option A, topography, option B, tropic level, option C, boundary, and option D, ecological niche. The right answer for this question is option D, that is ecological niche.